Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car dusters on Amazon. If having a clean vehicle inside and out is a priority, you probably should invest in a car duster. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Relentless Drive Car Duster. If you have a truck, SUV, or other larger vehicle, you need a duster with more reach. That's where the Relentless Drive Car Duster comes in. It includes an extendable telescopic handle that reaches 28.5 inches. It also has a non-slip handle that allows you to comfortably reach high areas, such as your vehicle's roof. The mop head is made of 2.5-inch electrostatic microfiber chenille strands that are safe to use on all paint finishes and effectively remove dust and pollen. The company also has a 100% satisfaction guarantee in the event that you experience any issues with its product. What we like about it: great for large vehicles. Non-slip handle. Safe for all finishes. What we don't like about it: not infused with paraffin wax. Not ideal for smaller areas in a vehicle's interior. Number 2. California Car Duster 62447 8B Mini Duster. The original California Dash Duster is a smaller version of the original California Car Duster and is a great option if you want to quickly clean the interior of your car, truck, SUV, or camper. It features a durable plastic handle and soft cotton fiber bristles on the mop head. Baked on paraffin wax aids in lifting dust and other contaminants off your vehicle's surface, so it doesn't require the use of a detailed spray wax or cleaner. The wedge-shaped mop head enables you to access hard-to-reach spots, such as where the dashboard meets the windshield. You can also use it in your home on window blinds, electronics, and so on. What we like about it: paraffin wax lifts dust off surface areas. No spray required. Accesses tight spots. What we don't like about it: not for exterior use. May leave lint behind during initial use. Number 3. OCM Premium Extra Large Car Duster. This car duster is a high-quality car duster designed to help you keep your car clean and shiny. It has a durable solid wood handle that is easy to grip and control, even when you're reaching hard-to-reach areas. The duster head is made of high-quality microfiber material that wraps dirt and dust particles without scratching the paint. One of the standout features of the OCM brand Premium Extra Large Car Duster is its size. It is 27 inches long, which means you can easily reach the roof, hood, and trunk of your car without straining your arms. The duster head is also extra large, measuring 14 inches in length and 6 inches in width. This means you can clean your car quickly and efficiently. What we like about it: organic cotton fibers. Gets softer and more absorbent over time. Non-toxic. Effectively lifts dust, pollen, and other debris. What we don't like about it: can leave lint and wax residue behind when you first use it. Best to use in the shade. Too large for small crevices. Number 4. Barrett-Jackson Microfiber Duster and Detail Brush. If you're familiar with the car auction company Barrett-Jackson, you might be interested in its eponymous duster. It includes a detailing brush that's great for small, hard-to-reach spots, such as your vehicle's vents. The duster can be used on the dashboard, center console, cup holders, door handles, small crevices, and other areas in your car or truck that are covered in dust, pollen, and other contaminants. The microfiber material won't scratch the surface area or leave lint behind. What we like about it: fits in the side pocket of the door. Removes dust and other particles. Bends to fit in awkward spaces. Detailer brush included. What we don't like about it: too small to clean the exterior. Requires cleaning after use. Number 5. The original California Car Duster Wood Handle Duster. Most people who are familiar with car cleaning accessories know about the original California Car Duster. The company is synonymous with the catchphrase, "the dirtier it gets, the better it works." The duster, which has a cotton fiber mop head and is treated with paraffin wax, is not designed to be cleaned or washed. Simply shake it out after each use. What we like about it: easy to use. Baked on paraffin wax lifts off dust. Won't scratch surfaces. carrying case included. What we don't like about it. If the vehicle or duster is hot, it can leave behind streaks or lint. Wrap the duster in newspaper for a couple days to remove excess moisture or wax. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.